forces launch search operation in Samba. Samba operations. Hunt intensifies after attack. Jammu and Kashmir terror attack. Security forces intensify search. Security forces in Jammu and Kashmir are actively conducting search operations in Samba and the surrounding areas following a recent terrorist attack on an Indian Army bus on July 8th, which resulted in the deaths of 5 soldiers. The Jammu and Kashmir Police, along with other security agencies, are performing routine search operations and area domination exercises to ensure the safety of the area, especially given its proximity to the border. Authorities have emphasized the importance of public cooperation during this operation. Residents are encouraged to report any suspicious movements to the Special Operations Group, Samba, or other relevant agencies. This proactive approach is designed to improve community involvement in maintaining regional safety and security. The search operation includes aerial surveillance and is considered a routine exercise aimed at bolstering security in the border region. Regular joint exercises and continuous monitoring of the area are deemed essential, especially given its proximity to the border, to ensure the safety of the local population and security personnel.
देखिए, ये रूटीन सर्च ऑपरेशन और एरिया डोमिनेशन एक्सरसाइजेज हैं जो हमारी चलती रहती हैं और लालाचक एरिया में ये शुरू हुई है, अभी ये चल रही है और 5-6 किलोमीटर तक तो ये एरिया डोमिनेटेड होगा। तो क्या ऑब्वियसली जब भी एनएज इस तरह की हरकत करते हैं तो हमारे लिए लाजमी हो जाता है कि हम लोग अपने अपने एरिया में जितनी सिक्योरिटी का बंदोबस्त कर सकें वो उतना अच्छा रहता है। एरिया को डोमिनेट करना और लोगों से मिलना अच्छा रहता है और उसी के तर्ज पे ये सर्च ऑपरेशन चल रहा है।
तो सीमा यहाँ से
देखिए, जॉइंट एक्सरसाइज हमारी चलती रहती हैं और चूँकि एरिया सटा हुआ एरिया है, क्लोजेस्ट है आईबी के, तो लाजमी हो जाता है कि इन एरियाज़ को खंगालना, देखना और यहाँ की जो भी गतिविधियाँ होती हैं उस पर नज़र रखना ये हमारी जिम्मेदारी बन जाती है। उसी तर्ज पे जो है आज पुलिस और एसओजी सांबा जो है वो सर्च ऑपरेशन चला रही है।
In a related incident, a fresh encounter broke out between the security forces and terrorists in the higher reaches of Doda district. The authorities have deployed the National Investigation Agency and special forces to widen their search for the perpetrators involved in the attack on an army patrol in Kathua district. This attack, which occurred on the rugged Machedi-Kindli-Malhar mountainous road near the Badnota village, resulted in the deaths of 5 soldiers and injuries to several others. The incident marks the 5th terror attack in Jammu in 1 month. The fallen soldiers, Naib Subedar Anand Singh, Havaldar Kamal Singh, Rifleman Anuj Negi, Naib Vinod Singh and Rifleman Adarsh Negi were honoured in a solemn wreath-laying ceremony at the Pathankot Army Base in Punjab. Their mortal remains were then flown to their home state of Uttarakhand for final rites. The tribute was attended by Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha and Army Chief General Upendra Dwivedi, who paid their respects to the brave soldiers. As the operation continues, specialized forces have been airdropped from helicopters to track the terrorists involved in the gunfights. Drones and UAVs are being used to assist the troops as they navigate the dense forests. The search teams are also supported by sniffer dogs and advanced surveillance equipment. The scope of the search operation has been expanded to encompass large areas in the adjoining districts of Udhampur and Kathua. News Desk report, such the reality.